We've just had the best Uber driver ever. Got us so excited for the day. Knew everything about the place. He gave us some tips on the Ubers getting them home, and he said on the way in, he said he's never seen it this quiet. So he said we should be in for a really good day. Yeah. Welcome to Universal's Islands of Adventure with Airtime John and Kirsty. I've tried this about 3 times. I'm too excited. Good morning from Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure. We are so excited to be trying all these rides today. Can't breathe because I'm so excited. We're going to head over to Velocicoaster first. Oh, we're just waiting to go in now. It's 20 to 9. The early resort park guests resort. I'm too excited to speak properly. Oh, here we go. I can't describe how excited I am right now. Honestly, I can't even put it into words. Ridiculous. My word. We've just tried the test seat and I'm fine on the test seat. Plenty of room, so no worries there. Oh my word. Like, you know where there's a new coaster and there's loads of hype surrounding it. Sometimes it doesn't quite live up to the hype. The Velocicoaster is by far the best roller coaster I have ever been on. It is insane. It's insane. The amount of airtime that you get is just, you're never out your seat. You're never in your seat, I should say. It's just the best adrenaline rush I have ever had. It's just phenomenal. I need to just take a moment, digest it, and then I'll tell you a bit more, but it is the best coaster I've ever ridden. It's amazing.
I'm not saying it dead loud, John.
And that's a wrap. I said to Kirsty, right, say, welcome to Jurassic Park, and we'll get the coaster flying over your head. Of course it didn't work out.
No, because you didn't ask me just to say that, did you? You said to say it in my funny voice.
In my funny voice. What's your review, Kirsty?
Amazing.
Kirsty was a little bit nervous when you're going on.
Yeah. But we got front row.
Front row?
Yeah. This is a front row.
I forgot to say we got front row. You can wait for the front row, which is a big bonus.
Yeah.
But yeah, rate it out of 10. Go!
More than 10. The best.
Just gone for a little sit down because the adrenaline is just pumping all around our bodies. And we said, you know what, we need to just digest it, take a little 5-minute break in the shade before we, you don't want to be going to your next experience while you're still thinking about the previous one, i.e. Velocicoaster. I just need to calm down, John. Oh my word, the detail on that is unbelievable. It takes your breath away how good that is. That looks so real. We've just come off Harry Potter Forbidden Journey. You know me, I'm terrible with names, but bear with me. I wasn't expecting to go on that today because I'd seen many vlogs saying if you're a larger gentleman like me, then you know you have trouble getting on. But we tried the test sheet and I was fine, Kirsty was fine. But when we got on to the ride system itself, I needed an extra push. So it was, I think, 3 clicks. I want to say 3 clicks. But little tip for you, keep your arms relaxed and your elbows by your side, because if you're a bigger guy up top, that's part of the problem. It's the shoulder area. That is the problem. You might be wondering why I'm speaking a bit laboured. We both feel quite sickly. I had no idea really what that ride was, and it's essentially you're on the broomstick, Harry Potter's broomstick, but it's so scary. It's like a ghost train. It's like a ghost train. But it was so much fun, really good. If you get motion sickness, beware, because it is a little bit nauseating. But Kirsty, what did you think?
I feel sick.
Yeah, she's still white. While Kirsty is reapplying sun cream, another thing I will tell you about Forbidden Journey is if you don't like spiders, don't go on it. We're both arachnophobes and it's quite spider heavy. A little bit terrifying, not gonna lie, a little bit terrifying.
Very terrifying.
Very terrifying.
You sure do love green eggs and ham. Welcome, Susie and friends. And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all of my thinkers out there, we are now going to be having meet and greet time with our Susian superstars.
We've just done Poseidon's Fury. Now, I had no idea what that ride was. I thought it was an indoor water ride, but it was a show. So it just shows you I am the worst theme park enthusiast of all time. I think I'm getting confused with the other water ride, the Rippity Falls. Oh wow, yeah. Unsubscribe below. Anyway, Kirsty's just gone to the loo, so we're going to head over and do the Hulk Coaster next, which is one I've been really looking forward to. So Hagrid's is 100-minute wait, and you know what? I'm happy with that. Excited?
Yes, very.
Me also. Can you see us? We've only been in the queue for 45 minutes and we can see where you get on the bikes. So wow, we loved that, didn't we? That was so good. It said 100 minutes and we got on it in 50 minutes. So that was a lovely surprise.
Yeah.
It was, honestly, it was just so much better than I thought it'd be. It was so much faster, so much more intense, and a few little surprises I weren't expecting. So yeah, I loved it. Absolutely amazing.
Good.
And to do it within the hour.
I know. And it didn't feel like that long either, did it?
No, it didn't. No.
It's nice, a lot of aircon.
So much to look at as well on the way down, so it's yeah, one of my favourite rides, that I'd say. It's dead long as well, isn't it? Well done Universal, well done.
Well done.
Congratulations. Oh my word. Absolutely drenched on ribbity roos. What's it called? Dudley do rights. Dudley do rights. Dudley do wrongs when you get this wet, mate. Look at that. You can even see me tattooed through the t-shirt. It's a good laugh though. It's really fun. Oh, it's a video again. Velocicoaster closed. Awkward. Kirsty's always wanted to try Panda Express, so I think we're going to go there for lunch. If there's nothing I fancy, I'll just head somewhere else. Obviously, when Kirsty's eating, I won't just leave her. Although it's tempting. I'm joking. Bend the bow. So they're all linked in, Panda Express and Burger King. And Moe's, whatever that is, Southwest Grill. So we can have a look, see what we fancy. So we couldn't decide, but we did want to try the orange chicken, so we just got a little small box of orange chicken and a Burger King. When in Rome. Please subscribe to Airtime John. No, it says you are bright and witty. That just proved it, not the joke. Subscribe. Just an all-night ride on Velocicoaster. Oh my god. So we've just watched the Hogwarts show and then got caught in the storm. Kirsty's well prepared. I am not.
In a white t-shirt?
In a white t-shirt also. Wet t-shirt competition, here we go. I know it's a video. You can't even see how wet we are. It's like ridiculous. We decided to make a run for it and you can't see, but we are saturated.